Stop paying for artificial intelligence video generators immediately. If you are currently swiping your credit card to access the brand new Grok Imagine 1.5 video model, or if you're stuck hitting frustrating paywalls on platforms like Esmile AI, you are literally throwing your money away. The corporate gatekeepers have designed these systems to drain your wallet, giving you strict generation limits, brutal wait times, and expensive monthly subscriptions just to test a few seconds of high-quality footage. Even if you pay their top-tier premium fees, they cap your creativity and lock you out the moment you try to scale your production. But right now, there is a massive hidden option, a completely free, zero-cost, and entirely unlimited workflow trick that allows you to generate maximum-length 15-second cinematic Grok videos in pristine quality without ever handing over a single penny. You're about to get unrestricted access to the most powerful video engine on the market, but you need to listen extremely closely. If you skip a single step in this exact workflow, you will miss a key setup. The method will not work, and you'll be stuck right back behind that paywall. Let us dive into the ultimate Grok Unlimited method. The video generation landscape has completely shifted overnight. Anyone who has experimented with generative video knows the absolute nightmare of trying to render a full 15-second clip. With older models, the moment you push past 3 or 4 seconds, the entire generation collapses. Characters mutate, textures melt into a blurry mess, and the environmental physics completely break down. Grok Imagine 1.5 was engineered specifically to destroy those limitations. It holds flawless character consistency, maintains intricate dynamic lighting, and processes complex geometry for extended durations better than anything else currently available to the public. But because it is so powerful, the access is heavily restricted. Today, we are opening up those restrictions using a highly specific combination of platform features and a strategic account looping method that guarantees infinite generation credits. The entire operation takes place on an advanced generation platform called OiiOii AI. Navigate to their official website using your browser. When the main landing page loads, you will be greeted by a standard login dashboard demanding an email address and a password to create an account. Stop right there. Do not even think about typing in your personal email, your business account, or your primary Google credentials. If you make the mistake of using your real email, this trick will only work exactly one time. You will burn through your initial free credits in 5 minutes and be permanently locked out. Instead, we are utilizing a highly strategic digital workaround. Open a new tab and navigate to the setup portal I am showing on the screen. This is where the magic happens. You will see a text box asking for a username. Type in a completely random sequence of letters and numbers. Next to that, you must click the domain selection drop-down menu. Do not just pick the first option. Scroll through the list and select the exact domain extension structure you see me using on screen. This specific domain is currently perfectly optimized for advanced verification filters. Once you have the username and that precise domain locked in, click the bright green arrow button. The system will instantly generate a fresh, highly secure, and completely disposable email address for this session. Click the green copy button next to it. You now hold the digital key to unlimited Grok access. Switch immediately back to the OiiOii AI dashboard. Paste that freshly generated email address straight into the registration box. Type in a strong, memorable password for this session and smash that pink login or sign up button. The moment you click, a security protocol will appear in the center of your screen. It is a slide to complete puzzle designed to block automated bots. Simply click and drag the puzzle piece smoothly to the right until it locks perfectly into the empty space on the background image. The exact millisecond that puzzle is solved, the platform fires off a mandatory verification email. Leave this tab open, switch back to your portal, and scroll slightly down the page to the integrated inbox. Within 5 to 10 seconds, an official account verification message from OiiOii AI will populate in that inbox. Click the bold subject line to open it. Inside, you're looking for one specific thing, a massive pink button that says Confirm Email. Click it once. That is it. Your account is instantly verified, fully authenticated, and officially registered. You have just successfully completed your entire profile setup tracking system. You will automatically be pulled back into the main generative platform. The interface might try to hit you with an onboarding tutorial, an introduction video, or a pop-up forcing you to select a role like an animator or a game developer. Completely ignore all of that corporate filler. Look at the top right corner of that floating pop-up and click the X to close it permanently. Next, look up at the top left corner of the screen and locate the glowing pink logo. Click it and then click the home button right below it to force the system to take you directly to your main creative dashboard. Now direct your attention to your user profile icon in the top right corner. Just for executing that sign-up workflow trick, the system has automatically injected a massive 200 free generation credits into your balance. But 200 is not enough for our master plan. We need to mathematically optimize this account. Hover your cursor directly over your profile icon to trigger a drop-down menu. Right in the middle of that menu, you will see a pink daily free bonus button offering an additional 60 credits. Click it immediately. Your account balance will instantly jump to a very healthy 260 credits. You are now fully funded and ready to generate premium content. Let us transition into the studio and build a masterpiece. Look at the left side navigation panel and click the new project button with the plus icon. This launches the professional video generation interface. You will see a large upload button in the center, but we're executing an advanced workflow. To get mind-blowing results from Grok, you cannot just rely on text. You need a mathematically perfect base image to guide the artificial intelligence physics engine. Look at the bottom of the screen where the current model is listed. Click that text to open the master model selection menu. Switch to the image tab at the top and select GPT Image 2. This is currently a top-tier image model, and because of our massive credit pool, it is only going to cost a microscopic 11 credits to run. Ensure your resolution is set to a razor-sharp 2K and lock the aspect ratio to 16:9 for standard cinematic formatting. Now, we are going to use a highly complex prompt to push this engine to its absolute limits. Type in a prompt for a hyper-realistic cinematic scene of a young man standing completely still in front of a massive full-length mirror inside a modern, dimly lit apartment at night. Mirrors are the ultimate stress test for artificial intelligence. It forces the computer to calculate dual perspectives, complex lighting bounces, and accurate physical geometry all at the exact same time. Click the pink upward arrow to generate. In seconds, a flawless, perfectly calculated base image will appear on your canvas. Right-click directly on that image, scroll down the menu, and download it safely to your computer. Now, we unleash the beast. Click the model selector one more time, but switch over to the Video tab. Scroll through the premium options until you find Grok Imagine 1.5, highlighted with the pink new tag. Select it. Right next to the pink generation button, you will spot a tiny icon with two horizontal slider lines. Click it to open the advanced parameter controls. This is where we maximize our configuration. Grab the time duration slider and drag it all the way to the absolute maximum of 15 seconds. Watch the credit costs adjust to exactly 180 credits. Because we strategically claimed the daily bonus earlier, we easily have enough credits to cover this massive generation with room to spare. Click the red Start block on the left side of the prompt box and upload that perfect mirror image you just saved. Delete the old image prompt completely. Replace it with the dynamic video prompt instructing the camera to slowly dolly forward while the subject remains perfectly still, demanding that the mirror reflection stays 100% synchronized with zero flickering, zero distortion, and zero geometry warping. Click the pink generation arrow and let the supercomputers go to work. While the video renders in the background, your credits will be officially deducted. The moment the render finishes, the platform is going to aggressively hit you with a massive subscription pop-up trying to force you into a paid monthly plan. Do not panic, your video did not fail. This is just an automated marketing tactic. Click the X in the top corner to close the sales pitch forever. Look right behind it. Your completed 15-second video is sitting perfectly on the timeline. Press play and look at the absolute insanity of this generation. The complex mirror reflection is flawless. There's no texture melting, the dynamic lighting is physically accurate, the camera movement is buttery smooth, and it holds this impossible level of structural integrity for the entire 15 seconds. Right-click the video, ignore the high-definition tier option, and hit the standard download video button to save the MP4 directly to your hard drive. You just generated a premium, top-tier artificial intelligence video for absolutely nothing. But here is the ultimate masterstroke that makes this workflow infinite. Hover over your profile icon one last time and click log out at the very bottom. Switch back to your tab, click the delete button to permanently wipe that disposable address from existence. The page will refresh, leaving no trace of your session. Type in a brand new random username, select your secure domain, generate a new email, and repeat this exact process from step 1. You will get a brand new account, another 260 credits, another flawless 15-second Grok video, and absolute unrestricted freedom to create as much cinematic content as you want without ever pulling out a credit card. If this zero-cost workflow trick just completely revolutionized your workflow, hit that subscribe button immediately to stay ahead of the algorithm. Smash the like button to support these deep dive technical secrets, and get back to creating. Bye-bye.